Hey everyone, so we'll do a quick unboxing here of the 0.75 gallon Betta Cube aquaculture, which is from Walmart. This was something like not even $7, so super duper cheap. But as always, I must say I do not recommend these small tanks. They are not good for bettas. You know, they say beta on them. These tanks are terrible, but I just want to make this video for those that want to see what you get with this tiny terrible tank. And what's even worse is it says other things that they recommend for this aquarium, plays, white clouds, zebra danos, and guppies. None of these should be in this tank. This tank should not even really exist. Something that's 0.75 gallons is not big enough for pretty much anything, except for maybe like a moss ball, something like that. But don't do any of these fish, especially. You all need a lot more space than 0.75 gallons. But in the box, you get the tank covered in plastic. Take it out of the plastic, you get this little top. I would say it is actually a pretty cool looking top. Here it does have a feeder hole right here. And then if you add anything with wires in it, there's that spot there for the wires as well. Gives you a pamphlet, instructions, and then you have the tank itself. And this is, of course, all plastic, as one should expect for only $97 here in the US. Bottom here is, of course, all plastic as well. It actually has a little bit of a cutout, I guess, on the bottom there, and this is all kind of cut out as well, as you see there. So again, this thing is just all plastic, and that's what you get for your almost $7, a little bit over $6 actually. I mean, it's a tiny little plastic tank. Again, I would not recommend one of these. Again, I'm just making this video because this is something that you can buy from Walmart, and a lot of people do shop at Walmart. And again, I would not recommend buying one of these whatsoever. Save us some money and buy yourself a proper like 5-gallon or 10-gallon tank. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. And as always, I appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.